friends, and welcome. Whether you are just starting out on a data science journey or you're just here for a statistics lesson, I am excited to share with you the 3 statistical fundamental ideas of mean, median, and mode. If you are learning data science, these are things you absolutely must know. If you're going to be coding with Python libraries such as Pandas or NumPy, you need to know these front and back, where these numbers come from, and how they're calculated. And I will walk you through step by step with a simple chart. Alright, so if you are ready, let's go. So let's work through an example. Say that I am counting the number of cookies I eat in a week. So let's say on Monday I eat 1 cookie. I'll draw my cookie there and write an M for Monday. And on Tuesday, let's say I eat 2 cookies. Wednesday, I eat 3. Thursday, let's say I eat 5. It was a rough day. And then Friday, I'll eat 4. So this is what we would call a histogram that represents our data. And our data here is cookies throughout the week. So the first stat is mean. And mean is just another word for average. So if we were to count all the cookies and then average them, that would be our average. So Monday we have 1, Tuesday there's 2, Wednesday we have 3, Thursday I had 5, and Friday I had 4. And if we add these together, that makes 15. When you divide 15 by 5, we get 3. So 3 is the average or the mean. The next stat is median, which I'll just write median. And it literally means the middle of the data. So I'll write middle here. Forgive my whiteboard writing. In order to find the middle of the data, you need to sort the data in order. So I'll take the numbers of our data and just sort them from least to greatest. So that's 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then we have 4, and 5. So the middle of the data is literally the middle. That would be 3. So our median is 3. Then we have mode. So mode is the frequency or the number that occurs the most. And the number that occurs the most this week is 5 cookies. So our mode would be 5. Also on our histogram, if you notice that if we just draw a line that represents our data, that is where we get a distribution line. So we would call this a distribution. And the mean of the distribution would be 3. The median of the distribution would be 3 also. And then our mode would be 5. So if you were to graph these, our mode is here at 5. Just write an M there. Our mean and the median are the same at 3, so it would be around here. We usually say the mean or the average is X bar. Right there. Now, if you notice in our data set, our distribution is not exactly symmetrical. The data is spread more thinly in this direction, which is called skewed. So this would be skewed left. But in a normal distribution, that would look like this. As even as I can get it. When the data is symmetrical, that's called a normal distribution. And in a normal distribution, the mean, median, and the mode are actually all the same in a perfectly normal distribution. They would all be here. This is the highest points. the most frequency for the mode, and the average and the middle are actually all the same. And that's it. You have mastered mean, median, and mode. Leave a like if you got it. And I really hope this helped you. If you liked this explanation, then you might also like the other videos I have in this playlist. So check those out and have fun on your data science journey.